Hello friends, I am Apurva. So I am back with my 4 friends. Now since I told you in the earlier video that we need to stay healthy. So last time I shared my almonds with my friends. Now this time I'm going to share my peanuts with them. Now let me share the peanuts equally. So I will share my peanuts equally with my friends. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. No, you have to take peanuts. So I have given one to each one of them. Let me give. I still have more peanuts to distribute to them equally. Alright. I have 4 more which I can give one to each one of them. So that each one of my friend gets equal share of my peanuts. Alright, so all of them have got 3. Uh-oh, I am less with peanuts. I am left with 2 peanuts over here. So can I distribute these 2 peanuts amongst my 4 friends? No, I cannot distribute these 2 left peanuts amongst my 4 friends. So these 2 peanuts are my remainder, the leftovers. We call them as remainder. In division, when we have total number of something, when we have to divide something, after division, after sharing them equally, if I am left with something that is left alone, which cannot be divided further, that is called as remainder. That is called as remainder. So now let us understand the concept of remainder. In the last video, I had explained you how we can show division in equal groups by array and by repeated subtraction. But now today we will again show the division, but we will understand the concept of remainder also. Suppose I have this number, let me take 16, let me take 18 divided by 4. So I'll have to divide 18 by 4. So how many groups am I going to make? Right, 4. The in equal grouping, I have to see what my divisor is, and here my divisor is 4. So I am going to make 4 groups. Alright, so I have to now divide 18. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, so now 2 is left, but I have my 4 groups. So that 2 I cannot distribute. These 2 are left. Now these 2 I cannot distribute equally amongst my 4 groups. So these 2 are my leftovers, or we call them as remainder. So if I am dividing 18 by 4, I get the quotient 4. Why? Because in each group there are 4. So my quotient is 4 and my remainder is 2. Understood? How we have taken out the remainders while distributing in equal groups? Let me now make you understand how we can show our division and the remainder by making an array. So now I will take the same example of 18 divided by 4. So now 4, how many in each row? 4. So I will make 4 rows. I will make 4 rows, and how many in each column? Like 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is my one vertical column, 4 in each column. But how many rows will be made? Only 4. Alright, let's start. I have total number 18. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now remember, in an array, the rows, it has to be complete pack. Now if you will see, here it is completely packed, my rows and columns, right? But here these two are left alone. So what will be my quotient? I will count the number of columns. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is my quotient and I am left with 2 beads alone. So that leftover is known as remainder. So it means my remainder is 2. So now let me show you in repeated subtraction how do we get the remainder. Now in repeated subtraction we subtract the divisor from the dividend till the time we get 0, right? This is what I have told you. So let us see. So I will subtract my divisor from my dividend. 14. 14 minus 4 is 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. Now here I have not got 0, but I have got 2 which is less than 4. So similarly, I cannot distribute my 2 peanuts amongst my 4 friends, right? So here I cannot move further with the subtraction. So how many times have I done subtraction? 4 times. So my quotient is 4, alright. And what is left behind? 2. So in repeated subtraction, either you must get 0 as your final difference, or if you have got a difference which is less than the divisor, so you will stop your repeated subtraction and you will straight away write down the answer. Quotient is 4 depending on the number of times, and the remainder, since it is less than the divisor, so we will not move ahead, and this is my remainder. So I hope that concept of remainder in these 3 strategies is clear to each one of you. Thank you.